In this video, I will show you how to replace the mudguards on your Kia Sportage. Whether you are upgrading or replacing damaged mudguards, this step-by-step guide will make the process quick and easy. Before we begin, make sure the car is safely parked and the parking brake is engaged. Start the engine and turn your front wheels outward for easier access to the mudguard screws. The mudguard is secured on the wheel well by 3 screws on the front and 1 screw at the bottom. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to carefully loosen the screws. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the mudguard away from the wheel well. Before installing the new mudguard, compare it with the old one to ensure it matches. Check for any dirt or debris on the mounting area and clean it with a damp cloth. Position the new mudguard against the wheel well. Line up the mounting holes with the screw holes on the car. Reinstall the screws to secure the new mudguard in place. Tighten them firmly, but don't over-tighten as this could crack the mudguard or strip the screws. Rotate the steering wheel in the opposite direction and repeat the same steps to install the other front mudguard. For the rear mudguards, due to tight space, you can use a stubby screwdriver to remove the screws. This is a great alternative to removing the rear wheel and will save you a lot of time. And that's how you replace the mudguards on your Kia Sportage. Not only do they protect your vehicle from dirt and debris, but they also give it a clean and polished look. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Wheels Joint for more car maintenance tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.